My name is Evelyn. I am 68 years old. I am a single mother. My husband died many years ago. My son was very small at that time. From that day, my life changed forever. I became both mother and father to my child. I had no one else in this world, only my son. When my husband died, I was very afraid. I did not know how to raise a child alone. But when I looked at my son sleeping beside me, I felt strong. I promised myself, I will protect him. I will never let him feel alone. I worked very hard. I cooked simple food. I washed clothes with my hands. Sometimes I cleaned other people's houses. Many nights I went to bed tired and hungry, but my son always ate first. When he smiled, my pain felt lighter. When my son was small, he often fell while learning to walk. Each time he cried and reached for me. I held his hands and said, "Don't be afraid. I am here." When he was sick, I stayed awake all night. I touched his forehead. I prayed for him. Years passed. My hair turned gray. My body became weak. But my love never became weak. When my son grew into a man, he worked in the fields. Every evening, I waited for the sound of his steps. I cooked his food. I cleaned the house. I did not want money. I did not want comfort. My son was enough. One day, my son said, "Mother, I want to get married." I smiled. If you are happy, then I am happy too. Fear lived in my heart, but I did not show it. When his wife came to our house, I welcomed her kindly. "This is your home," I said. I tried to help her, but after some days, things changed. She spoke to me coldly. She avoided my eyes. When I helped her cook, she said, "I know what to do." So I slowly became quiet. I told myself, she is young, she needs time. One evening, my son came home tired. He said, "Wife, please bring me water." There was no answer. He called again, still no answer. Then I heard her crying. "She hates me," she said. "She calls me lazy." Those words were not true, but I stayed silent. Then she said, "You must choose, me or your mother." That night, my son went to bed hungry. I lay awake and prayed quietly. The next morning, she said words I will never forget. "Push your mother off the hill. She is old. She will die soon." That night, my son came to me. "Mother," he said softly, "we are going on a journey tomorrow." I looked into his eyes. I understood everything. My heart broke, but my face stayed calm. "All right, my son," I said. The next morning, he carried me on his back. The path was rocky. The air was cold. I did not ask questions. I remembered my life. I remembered feeding him, protecting him, loving him. I felt no regret. At the top of the hill, I spoke softly. "My son," I said, "when you push me, hold the tree branch carefully so you don't fall." He stopped. Tears filled his eyes. "You know?" he asked. "Yes," I said. "A mother always knows." He put me down. He cried. "I was going to kill you," he said, "and you still worry about me." I touched his hand. "My child," I said, "a mother's love never ends." He lifted me again, but this time he walked down the hill. When we reached home, he sent his wife away. I did not stop him. Now we live peacefully. I cook for him. He takes care of me. Our house is quiet again. A mother gives everything: her strength, her youth, her life. She asks for nothing. Never forget the one who loved you first. A mother's love never dies. If this story touched your heart, please like this video, share it with someone you love, and subscribe to our channel for more simple English stories about life, love, and lessons. Thank you for listening.